Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. Your eyes did not deceive you. This is a new static mat, or static dissipative mat. Had to do a little bit of white balance adjustment because I was looking kind of oompa loompa there for a little bit. Very orange, but it's working now. Because Amazon decides to deliver stuff at close to 9:30 at night. Don't know if I'll get any soldering done tonight, so I just spent some time taking my old solder mat out and putting the new one on. This is a thicker, temperature, heat resistant, so I was waiting for in the mail were these little right-handed header pins here. Those are going to go on to this guy. This guy. I reused the board because those little scratches don't matter. So what we'll do is I'll have these little guys soldered like so around the edge, and then I'm going to repeat the same for the other side like so, and then I can easily plug in some twisted pair wires into that and work on the learning computer again. Well, since I'm here, I might as well do an unboxing video of all the fun stuff I got today. All came together. So I got a bunch of new milling tools for my CNC. Those are a bunch of different sizes. I got like 5 packs of those, and I got a pack of this really tiny ones here. These are all for printed circuit board milling. You can see they're real small little guys. Like just a little thicker than a human hair. So I got that going on. And this one's a bunch of different sizes, so if I need to do some board edge cuts and different work. These are all different sizes. I like because they're nice and color coded too, so I can quickly grab. Like this is tiny. I mean, this is 0.3 millimeter, which is crazy, and then it goes up from there. So got those bunch of little router bits in. I got this in for the learning computer. This is for my CNC. This is a dust shoe. As I found, I make a lot of dust, especially when I'm milling plastic on the CNC. And I actually have a little shop vac on the end of my workbench. So I wanted to get one of these. Now, I read online the problem is the bristles are way too long if you're working with small stuff. So how does that mount? Let's see. Yeah, I'm glad I got the smaller bristles. Okay, that's coming tomorrow. So this bottom part will get replaced, and I'll have it's only like 20 millimeter bristles, so it'll be like that. So it'll be perfect when I'm doing mill work. So what you do is you put it on your machine. Let me see if my vacuum cleaner connects to it. Oh, like a glove. Nice. Perfect. So yeah, my vacuum hooks right to it. So when I'm milling, as it moves along, it'll pick up the dust. So definitely want to use the shorter ones, because otherwise when I'm doing mill work, it's going to be doing this stuff, and I don't want it to get caught up in the spindle. So glad I ordered the shorter bristles. So that goes with my CNC. That goes over there. What else did I get? Oh, this is for, I got some plank boards, single-sided this time instead. One side, there's the other, single-sided. My Jaguar 5200 controller, I've had to, in the past, use a little perf board and wire up a little board there by hand. Now I'll be able to mill out some PC boards and just make it much easier for me to assemble in the future. I had to raise the price $20 on them. The controllers went up $20, the base controllers. I got in a bunch of shrink tubing, so I don't have to borrow any more from work. So, all sorts of nice little pre-cut little sizes there. Cute. Shrink tubing, tons of that. So that's going to come in handy. This is a present for myself here. I have an old netbook, Lenovo netbook from many years ago, back when netbooks were a thing, and I decided, this time I want to try to do, this is a SATA to SD card converter. So I just recently installed Mint Debian edition on there because it's a 32-bit machine. It works pretty well, and I wanted to see how it does with running off a SD card. So that's enough for now. I don't think I'm going to be able to get much soldering done tonight. I'll try. I still need to file this guy just a little bit here. Maybe I can knock that out real quick. Where's a nice flat file? Let's go to the triangular file. This actually looks pretty good on this side. The other side's got a little too much material on it. I'll have to bring out the big guns. Let's get this guy. That's better. Still not quite there. I hit the other side just to get it, break the edge of it. Alright. Where's I got some nice, like, 1200 grit sandpaper kicking around here somewhere. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Excellent. Which one is this? This is... it's just a 220. It's pretty decent. Off. Nice. Try soldering a little bit, I guess. Maybe that wouldn't stay clean long. Put your tools away. Oh, my knees are hurting. Let's see. Pins. Yeah, I just got back from taking my son out driving. He's 15, so he's on this learner's permit. I don't know if they do it in every state, but Illinois they have learner's permits. So you're supposed to drive with them 50 hours before they go get their license when they turn 16. Great state of Illinois, land of Lincoln. I was actually born and raised in Chicago. Went through 12 years Chicago public schools. Technically 13 years because of kindergarten too. Let's see how this works. How this works without burning myself. This looks like too much solder. Is that centered? There we go. Ooh, the tinning sucks on this. Okay. It's not taking the solder bead well. Let's get some solder on there. It's not that much mass. Just trying to do some hurting myself. Ow, that's hot. I have to give up tonight. I'm getting a little slap happy and tired. I need a hemostat. That's what I need. Not happy with that placement. He thinks I will need some sort of small spacer there. Oh, I'm tired. Work on this some other night. Work on that tomorrow. Just too tired right now. I can tell I'm not thinking straight. So, everyone, thanks for watching, and hopefully get some this figured out and start soldering it tomorrow. Bye-bye.